Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to text someone on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. Right now I am in my Facebook profile here. Now I am clicking here to share a new post and I am typing here something hello, and if I text someone and then click here tag people, from here you have to search your friend whom you want to tag. Suppose I want to tag this friend, so I can click this profile here and here we can see our tag has been active. We can tag all 50 people at a time, and if you want to remove someone from your tag list, then simply click on this cross icon, then the people will be removed from your text. Right now acting these people here. Now I am clicking on done and here we can see my item is you want to come. So here showing up is one, I cannot use with and you like him. This is name UH. This name is showing for a tag this person. I'm going to post this and here we can see this post has been shared and here I text someone. So this is the way how you can text someone on Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.